Hello, this is a tutorial on visualization as you begin to create your websites. The first element you need to consider is typography. This is the style, arrangement, or appearance of types that matter. As you're choosing your font, you want to make sure you pick a font that is easy to read. You select the right size according to the point that you want to get across, and that you consider your audience. So if you are trying to gear your website towards a professional audience, you probably don't want to choose the Thriller font. Next, you need to limit the amount of text that is included. Bullet points not only help organize your information, but it also helps hit key points. You should also consider visual representation. That means replacing text with images, icons, or video. The next element is screen design, and this just refers to the layout on your display. A few tips: make sure that you limit the colors. You don't want to have 10 different colors going on, and it's good to stick to maybe 2 to 4 colors. Avoid using too many elements. If you get too much information on one page, it can become crowded and too much information happening at once. It's a good idea to follow a grid. If you split your screen into different sections, it will help keep your information organized. And then don't be afraid of white space. White space can help frame out the information instead of being overwhelming. The last element is digital media, and this is the content that you include on your web page. Some reasons to include media is to maybe enhance your message, to get your point further across, to engage your audience, and it also adds another element other than text. So here I've created a website that shows good visualization. You can see that my typography, I've got the same font throughout the web page. I've used bullet points to organize my information. And with my screen design, you can see that I've created a header section, a middle section, and a bottom section. But I've also kept my media even throughout my different sections as well. Lastly, I included a YouTube video to get my users active within my web page, and I also included examples of layouts. Here's an example of what not to do. You can see that I chose many different backgrounds with many different colors. There are many different fonts on here. My media is not well organized, and it looks like white space is really more important than using a grid or limiting colors. So just pay attention to how the website guides your visual as you go through it. I hope this helps, and I can't wait to see your final products.